Every time a device on your guest Wi-Fi connects to a website, it first asks the domain name system to translate that domain into an IP address. DNS filtering intercepts that question and blocks the answer if the domain is malicious. The connection to the threat never happens. For venue operators running public networks, this is the most cost-effective first line of defense against malware, phishing, and inappropriate content. DNS filtering is a security control that intercepts DNS queries and blocks resolution of domains classified as malicious or policy violating, preventing the device from establishing a connection. Cloud DNS services use anycast networks, where multiple servers share the same IP address and client queries are automatically routed to the nearest server, minimizing latency globally. DNS over HTTPS encrypts DNS queries within HTTPS traffic on port 443, protecting query privacy, but also creating a potential bypass vector for filtering systems that rely on port 53 interception. Think of it this way: DNS filtering blocks the phone book, not the road. It removes the malicious domain from the phone book so the device never gets the IP address to connect to. This is fundamentally more efficient than inspecting traffic already on the network. Always deploy the security baseline first: malware, phishing, botnet command and control, and ransomware blocking. Content category filtering comes second and requires stakeholder alignment on acceptable use policy. But the single most common implementation failure is this: if you don't intercept port 53 at the firewall, you haven't deployed DNS filtering. Configuring DHCP to assign a secure resolver is necessary, but not sufficient. Without a firewall rule redirecting all outbound port 53 traffic, devices with hard-coded DNS settings bypass the filter entirely. Read the full guide at purple.ai.